Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of product quality, understanding the key differences between design defects and manufacturing defects. Let's start by clarifying these terms. Design defects occur during the initial conception phase, where the flaw originates in the product's design itself. Design defects are inherent to the product's design and can affect every unit manufactured according to that design. On the other hand, manufacturing defects occur during the production process, where an error or flaw is introduced during assembly or fabrication. While design defects affect every unit, manufactured defects are typically isolated incidents, affecting only a small portion of the products produced in a particular batch or time frame. Identifying the root cause is crucial. Design defects stem from flaws in the product's blueprint, while manufacturing defects are a result of errors in the production process. In terms of impact, design defects often lead to a widespread recall or corrective actions across entire product lines. Meanwhile, manufacturing defects typically result in addressing issues within a specific batch and time frame, minimizing the overall impact of the product line. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for quality control and liability considerations in the product development and manufacturing industries. To sum up, design defects originate in the product's design phase and affect every unit produced, while manufacturing defects occur during production and generally impact only specific batches. If you or someone you know has been the victim of a design defect or manufacturing defect, call us today to speak with one of our attorneys.